Otauri augite agutigirira migunda yothe iria igwatirwo ni andu kiumbe ni acoka moko-ini ma thirikari muciini wa Nairobi. Murugamiriri wa motungata kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Badi ni iyukitie eke mwena nuthu cia mugunda mwena wa Gigiri uria ukoretwo ukihuthika ni mundu kiumbe kuonjorithia nduka cia biacara.
It is very unfortunate that we have people within the county offices that illegally issued this land to various personnel.
Akombori a nyumba ici riu ni mahetwo notithi ya guthama.
Hatutaki kudhuru mali ya mtu yoyote. These are innocent Kenyans who should be given enough time to move their goods. They have hired these shops or the premises in here for the sake of doing business.
Badi augite gicunje giki kia mugunda kiagiriire gukorwo kiri ceceni ya motungata ma kuhoria mwaki.
The fire engines are very essential as they are part of emergency services, just like the ambulances.
Mukana riu ni kuri aria angi megwatire migunda ya muingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Badi akiuga ni akumakinyira othe.
For any public land that was wrongfully awarded, will reclaim it and put it into use what it was intended for.
Anybody who believes that is being protected from somewhere, as we are going to operate under the rule of law, and the law will take its course. If you're on the wrong side of the law, shauri yako.
Kuona kuri muigana wa ngari cia kuhoria mwaki iria cikoretwo ciri thuku, Badi augite ciothe ciguthondekithio weru na kurehwo ceceni-ini no wona yarikia gwakwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.